Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, I am back with another amazing video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and amazing Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very different, unique and attractive. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decoration and enhance the beauty and charm of your house. So keep supporting me, keep liking my videos, and don't forget to press bell icon. Most important thing, subscribe my channel also. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.